guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is Plan With Me Monday. I will be in the third week of March, the week of spring starting, so I wanted to do a spring theme spread for this week. I have this quick page by Storytellers Club. It's an old club, and I'm not sure that if they're even in business anymore, if they still have the monthly page kit, but it was a monthly scrapbook page kit, and this card is just a cut apart page, and it was meant to be for scrapbook pages, but I'm going to be using it in my layout. I have some yellow scrap that I found in my stash that goes with it really well, and then I have this floral washi and this orange washi tape that has the days of the week on it. Thought that went really well, so I'll use that. And then I have my Crate 365 stickers. I might pull some things out of there. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Guys, so here's my final layout. I think it turned out really pretty. I think the colors all went well together. The only thing I didn't quite like was I didn't have something that I could put over this up here, and I stuck that sticker down and it'll rip if I try and take it up. So anyway, I think otherwise I love how it turned out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next Monday for another Plan With Me video. Come back tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday for other random crafty videos, Wednesday for Bible journaling, And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.